Another shot of the tower. Good morning, folks. We're off to Coral Island today to win a mini. We're going to go into the famous free attraction on the Golden Mile, and this is the Hounds Hill corner, as you might call it, next to the New Sands Hotel. And we're going to go and we're going to see if we can win this lovely car that's hiding here underneath the balloon arch. We've already done the security thing, so he knows what we're doing. We're not quite as weird as we might look. So this new competition is going to enable somebody to drive away in this brand new Mini One. It's got sat nav and it's got all the clever stuff. It's a 5-door and it's brand new, and they've had a right performance, even getting it into the venue. So all you need to do is enter on this touch screen. I've had a go. I never win anything, but I've had a go. There's two of them, and this lovely little lady here that's helping everybody. Thank you very much. She's helping everybody on the way in to use the machine. You need to give it a good clout with your fingers though, because it's not very sensitive. So the winner's going to be notified at random, and the competition is being run in conjunction with Rock FM and Hits Radio in Manchester. So while you're here, you can have a go on the Pirate Flyer. You can have a go on the penny slots. We like penny slots. No entry. Grab something to eat. Plenty of snack bars. Get your change. There you go, get your cash back and your change. We've got all kinds of different games and entertainment. There's the ghost train. I've come the other way around to the way that we went last time. I thought it would be better to go on a reverse trip, and then I'd see all kinds of different things that I didn't see the first time that I'd been in. And it's the third time that Coral Island have done this competition. So it's your third chance to win a car. Snack bar. It just goes on forever, this place. There is a map actually. The leaflet for the Coral Island venue is, if you open it up, it's got a map inside, which is worth it. If you want to make sure that you don't miss anything, get a copy of the map. Let's see if we can find one anywhere on our travels as we walk round. So the competition is free to enter. Oh look, there's a Pirate Flyer there again. The competition is free to enter. You can come back every day and enter it again. Oh look, some more pirates. Like pirates. I've got in a racing car. That could be quite good fun, couldn't it? That could be quite good fun. Motorbike. Ideal for anybody that's not actually big enough to go on a motorbike. And I'm hoping, if I'm going the right way, that we're going to come out at the promenade on the corner of Bonny Street end. Kind of know where I mean. Oh, here we go. There's another poster here. Look. I've just seen an advert for the competition. This is the Buccaneer restaurant. You can come for your lunch, afternoon tea, dinner, whatever it is that you wanted. Oh look, the Camel Derby. There was nobody playing this last time we came in. And today they're actually playing. Do you know, it's donkey's years since I played the Camel Derby. This would be me, and stuck at the back. Because you throw a ball, and every time the ball goes into the hole, like this, the camel moves. So I would definitely be at the back, failing miserably. So it's a nice hour out of the sun at the moment, or a nice hour out of the rain, depending on what the weather's doing outside. So I hope you've enjoyed this little look round. Don't forget to pop in and enter the competition. This is the prize shop. Don't forget to pop in and enter the competition when you're around. Goodness me, there is some good prizes as well. And then you can have your pick of quite a range of goodies actually. And this is Captain Jack's Bar and Grill in this corner. So we'll leave you down here. We're going to go back out into the sun now. So make sure that you subscribe to the Visit FYLDE Coast YouTube channel. Make sure that you've hit that little bell for notifications. Share this video and make sure that you've given it a like. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.